Sanibel Island is such a beautiful location. That causeway really is the only way for those people to have access to those major grocery stores, anything. There's only mom and pop stores really over there. So I'm obviously want to send them well wishes as they try to recover through this time.
And to think how long it will take to rebuild something like that.
Some of those things simply just will never be the same too, and it's just so sad to see that. And I know that too, when you see images coming out of Florida like that, and then you know the storm is headed here, that can cause a lot of anxiety. And I just want to again reiterate that what we're dealing with here, our impact will be nothing like that. But we still need to be prepared because we still do have impact here. Here's a live look at radar at this point. We're starting to get that rain in. I mean, I just saw it on our doorbell camera at home. We are seeing rain all throughout the forecast area. It is light as we're looking at starting off this event here, but you can see all of that heavy rain still to come here over the next couple of hours. A tropical storm warning in effect for our forecast area today. We're expecting heavy downpours, and we're also expecting tropical storm force winds or something very close to it throughout our forecast area, kind of depending on how far north you are and how far away from the core of the storm you will be. But this is what we're looking like as we take a look at the triad, seeing some of that rain picking up, getting away from the lightest, brightest blue, getting some darker blues and some yellows, indicating that moderate to heavy rain as well. Randolph County has been seeing rain for some time now, so we may even have some decent rain totals soon from Randolph County. As we're looking at wind speeds, of course, this is the other side of things. This is the side that could change really more than the rain will change. The rain, we're pretty sold that it'll be 3 to 5 inches of rain for our forecast area. The wind, though, a lot of things could change exactly how intense these are. We're expecting winds to be in the 20 to 40 mile per hour range for sustained winds today. We're expecting this wind gusts to be in the 50 to 60 mile per hour range. Here's a look at our local impact. That rain will cause a flash flood threat. That threat will be highest today because we have the heaviest and the steadiest rain, but it'll also be an issue for us tomorrow. Each day over the next couple of days through Monday, it gets a little easier, but we're still dealing with Ian as it weakens, but just kind of meanders over us. Winds near tropical storm force for Friday and for Saturday. This is what we're watching here. The current thinking is that as we head into the next couple of hours, we continue to watch that rain spread further west in our forecast area and intensify. So heavy downpours even by late morning. And also you can see those winds. We're looking at wind gusts right now. Wind gusts at this point in the 40 to 50 mile per hour range. But after landfall and as that storm makes its way closer and closer to us, as we head into Friday evening, that heavy rain still with us and those wind gusts reaching the 50 to 60 mile per hour range. So that'll be an issue, of course, not only for flash flooding with the rain and for mudslides in the mountains with the rain, but also those winds combined with that rain will cause issues with trees in our area, especially trees with perhaps weaker root systems. As we head into tomorrow morning, that rain continues. It's steady to start off on Saturday, but then by Saturday afternoon, we're down to more scattered showers. It won't go away entirely though, so we'll still have to watch for all of that rain to add up and cause issues for us. Today is the alert day though. Today is the worst day of our Ian impacts. As we head into the afternoon, we've got those strong winds. Winds sustained 20 to 40 miles per hour, gusting 50 to 60 miles per hour. Rain 3 to 5 inches by the time it's all said and done. In the mountains, that concern again, mudslides could be an issue as we look towards this area. And as we head through the next couple of days, that low pressure system just kind of hangs out over us, gets a little weaker every day, and a little bit less impactful, but we'll be dealing with it likely until late on Monday.